Welcome to our channel. Learning essential phrases shows respect and enhances your travel experience. Step 1. Download a language learning app and start with basic greetings and courtesies. Step 2. Focus on practical phrases you'll use daily, like ordering food and asking directions. Step 3. Practice pronunciation using audio features to sound more natural. Step 4. Create flashcards for quick review during travel downtime. Step 5. Watch videos of native speakers to understand context and body language. Step 6. Learn numbers to handle money transactions and understand prices. Step 7. Memorize key phrases for emergencies like asking for help or medical assistance. Step 8. Practice speaking aloud even when alone to build confidence. Step 9. Use language exchange apps to practice with native speakers before your trip. Step 10. Write phrases phonetically if you struggle with the native script. Step 11. Learn basic question words to understand responses better. Step 12. Accept mistakes as part of learning and locals will appreciate your effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.